Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of the KitchenAid stand mixer, which literally I've been waiting for them to restock months, just like everywhere. I don't know if you guys have noticed, it's been out of stock, but it has been. At first I was looking at the artisan, but I really want to make a lot of dough, so the 7-quart it is. So let's talk about it. It is the ProLine Series 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer, and I got it in cast iron black. Guys, I ordered this on Thursday, and literally this came Saturday. Crazy. I ordered it after 8 p.m. Great delivery, by the way. Okay, let's talk about it. What is it? It says, whether you need 14 dozen cookies for the school bake sale or shredded chicken for Taco Tuesday with friends and family, the KitchenAid ProLine Series 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer has the capacity for every occasion. Oh, by the way, it retails for $629.99. $630. It is this durable bowl lift stand mixer was built to last and features 10 speeds to gently knead, thoroughly mix, and briskly whip ingredients for a wide variety of recipes. I'm so excited! And comes in a variety of colors to perfectly match your kitchen design or personality. Be mindful, this does not come in nearly as many colors as the artisan. Expand your mealtime creativity with over 10 optional hub power attachments, from food grinders to pasta makers and more, using the flat beater, 28 grams dough, each sold separately. Okay. All right. It has a 7-quart capacity for large or small batches. It's our largest residential capacity available. It is a stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle to mix up to 14 dozen cookies. It is dishwasher safe. And the bowl lift design for maximum stability. It has 3 lock points. Okay, this is unboxing. Just want to tell you about it. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's telling you all the attachments. That's pretty cool. Okay. Congratulations on your new stand mixer purchase. Some important information. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. All right. Oh, this is the guard. Can we just be clear that the most exciting part of Christmas or any gift that's given, of course the gift is amazing and that's great, but it's the opening part. And sometimes, especially if you don't know what it is. But if you do know what it is, oh, this is the dough hook. This is not dishwasher safe, but from what I hear, you can buy one that is stainless steel. I'm gonna have to set this on the floor and pull it up. I'm definitely keeping this box, so when it's time to move, I have the box. Is that a little scuff mark? No, I think we're good. I loved when I saw the cast iron black. I thought it was beautiful. I thought it was different. And honestly, I thought it'd go with anything. Oh, look how pretty it is. This is beautiful. Let me pull it back so you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Let me see. Yeah, this is beautiful. And does it fit underneath my cabinets? It does fit underneath my cabinets. I didn't think it would fit underneath my cabinet, to be honest. But that's a nice surprise. It's a very nice surprise. Look how beautiful it is. We're gonna zoom in on this. Look how beautiful that cast iron is. You can see real close on there. Let's turn it around for you. Get some of the white stuff off. Okay guys, I hope this helped you out to figure out if it's something you were looking at. And they are selling out quickly, of course, because people like me have been waiting on it. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna get to baking. I am. Bye. This is beautiful, right? Look at that. Oh. That's just so pretty. Okay, I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited.